Hello beauties, my name is Crystal and welcome to my channel. For today's look, I recreated this pretty teal look that I got off of Emily Richards from Instagram. I will link her gram down below, and if you're ready to get started, then let's go. I started by priming my lids with the Milani eyeshadow primer, and I'm just gonna go in with my finger and put it all over my lid. Now I'm gonna take the Jaclyn and Morphe palette, and I'm taking this color Jada with a fluffy brush, and I'm going to use it as my transition color. I know Emily had used the orange color, but I just wanted this brighter blue and it wasn't coming out how I wanted it, so that's why I used Jada. And I'm just gonna keep applying product until I feel satisfied with it, and make sure you blend it out nice and smooth. Now from the same palette, I'm taking the color Enchanted, which is a nice deep green shade, and I'm just going to dab it on to the outer corner of the eye first and slowly blend it inward. And I really want to pack that color on. Now taking the same fluffy brush from before, I am not going to add any more color, I'm just going to blend it out nice and seamlessly. Once you finish blending it out, then you can go back in with Jada if you really want to add that extra pop of color. Now to cut the crease, I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape and this small brush, and I'm going to shape out where I am going to cut the crease, and it's going to be pretty much from the inner corner all the way out, almost, except for the outer V, if that makes any sense. You'll see what I'm talking about right now. I'll show you guys. Now from the same palette, I'm taking this color Pool Party with a damp brush, and I'm just going to pack that onto that lid. I'm going to leave that outer part alone for a little bit so that I can go back in and blend it out with Enchanted, and then I'll go back in and blend over that with Pool Party. You'll see. Now with that tapered brush from before, we're going to blend in just so that there's no harsh lines. I really want it to blend very nicely together, just like Emily. I mean, as best as I can like Emily, because Emily is badass. Now I'm going in with that color Pool Party and blending that over. And just with a clean fluffy brush, I am trying to blend it all together really nicely. Now I'm taking a little bit of the color Beam, and I'm just going to highlight underneath my brow bone. For the bottom lash line, I'm using this Crease brush, and I'm picking up the color Enchanted, and I'm lining as close as I can to my waterline. Picking up the tapered brush from before, I'm just taking whatever's left on there and just trying to smudge it out a little bit, well, smoke it out really. And now I'm going to do the same with the brush we used with the color Jada, just to blend it out. For liner, I'm using this black one by Avon. It's a glimmer stick liner, I think that's what it's called. Now I'm taking the color Smoldering Satin. It's one of Stilla's liquid eyeshadows, and I'm picking up the color Mouse, duh, from the Mean Girls palette, and I'm mixing them together, and I'm just gonna place this sort of in the inner corner of the eye. For the inner corner, I'm using this color in Light. And off camera, I did my eyeliner and my mascara. And for lashes, I use these House of Lashes called Starlit. I wore them in my previous video. They are really, really pretty. I really love these lashes. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram and on Twitter, and please let me know what you guys would like for me to do. I love you, beauties. Till next time.